Good morning. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. It's Monday. Hi, you lovely lot. Have you had a good weekend? I've been hanging out with some of you on our group chat, which is always a treat. And I had that feeling of, gosh, it's Monday again. And then when I heard that thought, I thought, actually, I've had a lot of that kind of thought lately. And it's something we say all the time, isn't it? And it's habitual. But you know, when something just calls your attention, and it often comes around when I open the group chat on a Friday. It's like, gosh, is it Friday again? And then, gosh, is it Monday again? And we notice that, you know, turning of time. And we've had it in our house with Christmas because we've had all the Christmas decks out. And even my daughter now is old enough where rather than Christmas feeling like it's an absolute eternity from year to year, it's more like us adults talk of, gosh, has it come around again? It feels like only 5 minutes since we had these decks out and here we are doing it again. And, you know, that perception of time. And what that's drawn me into this morning, which I like to invite you into, because I feel that intuition pooling in the morning, and I'm like getting myself ready in the morning and like doing our breakfast, and at the moment doing Advent and getting dressed, you know, popping in the shower and getting dressed, and thinking in the back of my mind, I'm going to come and talk to you guys and what's around. And this intuition flows, and this is what's really coming to me. So I thought I'm going to do some tapping today on getting present in the moment, being here now, enjoying this moment, rather than sort of being in this hamster in a wheel turning of time motion. And I'm just going to invite you into that loosely in whatever way it sits for you. So just notice what comes up for you when I say that. In what way would you like to be more present in this moment, this day, this section of time where you're finding this video now? And notice what's in your way of that. Is it busy thoughts? Is it things on your to-do list? Is it, excuse me, is it things distracting you that have happened in the past? So things you're irritated about, angry about. I'm obviously clearing something because my throat's all clearing as I'm talking to you. Is it distractions of thoughts of, you know, obsessions, addictions, stress, stress about particular things, whether it's money or food or, you know, whatever is around for you. I'm just throwing out ones that are flowing through my mind in case something touches you. What are those interrupters that are stopping you from being here with me in this moment, or here with your child or children soon, and just really being present in what is? And I don't mean some false mask of it being the most joyful moment or making it more than it is. I mean just being here now, and not in the future, and not in the past, not in all those thoughts. Okay. And tapping along with me. And even though I feel really distracted, I deeply and completely accept myself. And even though my thoughts are elsewhere, I love and forgive myself. Even though I'm really distracted, I deeply and completely accept myself. Really distracted, thinking of other things, feeling things that have happened before, anticipating things to come. My mind's just going into all the things I need to do. I'm obsessing about the usual thoughts, the worries, the stresses. I'm trying to fix things. I'm just not present in this moment, and I don't know if I can be. I'm distracted and I'm pulled away. And I find it really hard to get present. And I'm avoiding being here in this moment. I notice the things that are uncomfortable for me right now. I'm just being with those things that are uncomfortable about this moment. The things that seem imperfect and not good enough and difficult and painful. I notice I'm distracting myself from this moment. and I love and accept myself fully with all of these experiences. Okay, one more round. And I choose to be here now. And I choose to come into my body and notice my breathing and feel how it feels in my body. And I choose to be present and know that I'm enough. And I choose to be present and know that I am already enough. I choose to be present and know that I've done enough and that I'm good enough. I choose to be present and I am safe. I choose to be present and know that all is fine. I choose to be present and to let go. And to let go some more. And to let go again. And to keep letting go until I find I can just sit comfortably in this moment. Okay, my loves, I hope that helped you. I hope you have a gorgeous day. Just a reminder that this coming weekend is going to be the recording of my EFT tapping workshop. If you want to take part in that, you've got this week to let me know that you want to take part, to let me know what your personal challenge is. The workshop is the Nightmare Before Christmas. So it's anything that comes up for you as a PDA parent that feels challenging in the preparation this time, getting ready for the holiday. Anything goes, and I'm going to record it especially for you. We're going to get specific about your personal challenge, and you're going to get to hear everyone else's and have tapping on that as well. I'm going to record the session and send it to you so you can watch it in your own time. It's completely flexible, and the investment for that is the cost of my daughter's favourite festive drink from Costa, which is a gingerbread and cream latte. It's £5.25. That's all I'm asking. I know things are not always easy cost-wise in December, so that'll keep our treats flowing, and I'll have fun making that workshop for you, and I'll get that sent out to you. So just drop me an email, drop me a message if you want to take part in that. And I've recorded an introduction video already, which is up on my YouTube channel for anyone taking part in EFT tapping workshops, so that if you like to be prepared and you like to know a little bit about EFT and what's going to happen and what to bring and all that, you can watch that anytime. And of course I'll be sending out to all members to make sure you've got the link for that, so you won't miss it. But just to let you know, it's there if you're curious, and if you're wanting to have a nose and think, you know, how do I feel about this energy, about EFT tapping and about doing this workshop with Lindsay, then that's there for you to get all the feels flowing and see if it's something that works for you. I just love EFT for PDA parents because it's super quick and easy to use. You can just do it now. You can do it however busy and crazy your day is. And it actually really irritates me when I hear people say that, because the amount of times I've heard people say, everyone has 15 minutes to do some yoga, or everyone has half an hour to get out for a walk every day. And I'd be shouting at the screen as a PDA parent, something probably too impolite to say on this video, but that was not my reality at all. But EFT tapping, you really can fit it in where you are right now, being the parent you are, and I understand what that might mean, because you can do it lying in bed, you can do it while you're sitting on the loo. It takes like 1 minute to do that, and you really can do it whilst you're doing other things. You don't have to make special time. It's really quick to learn, and it's a self-help technique, so it's free to learn. So you've really got nothing to lose using EFT tapping. I love it. So I hope you enjoy it as much as me. I hope you have a super day. I'll see you tomorrow. Lots of love. I will see if we finish our decorating today. We did about half, and then demand avoidance has meant the rest is in boxes for now, and it will be what it will be. Sometimes it gets finished, sometimes the boxes just go away and we go, there you go, perfect as it is. Maybe we'll stick the star on top, who knows. Lots of love, bye.